So I want to show a real quick job I'm working on this morning. I've got a friend who, whenever he has a child, he carves their name into one of the spindles on his front porch around his deck. And this is one that he pulled off as an example. And his wife just had another baby. And the baby's name is Harley. So he asked me if I could do a spindle with Harley. And so I thought it was an easy one to do on my Mac. So I did the file in VCarve and screwed a fence down just the spool board of the deck that's 1 3/8 over. And I'm going to leave it a little bit long so you can trim the top edge and just use these quick clamps. Clamp it here. It starts about 3 inches down and goes for about 8.5 inches, so I'm clear as I move down here. I got plenty of room. It's clamped nice. This is just an old scrap piece of fence that I've made. So I'm going to use the keypad to move down. Get in the starting position. I've already centered the bit in the bike. Created the file. Go let it carve. So Doug will clean it up, put the stain on to match the existing ones. All done.